Hello everyone, my name is Dmitry, I'm a project manager at Happy Reno, and today we're going to be discussing why bathroom renovation is important. First and most important, any kind of upgrade or renovation will bring up the value of your home. Everyone in the family using the bathroom, whether it's kids, parents or grandparents. Also, in an event of selling, new buyers will always look out for a renovated bathroom because cost of the bathroom renovation will be much higher than renovating any kind of living space. Third, when you're doing a bathroom renovation project, you will really need to think of how you're going to utilize the space. Where you're going to put your vanity, how you're going to set up your freestanding bathtub or a curbless shower system. Nowadays, there is so many ways of saving that space, and with Happy Reno, we can perfectly design your bathroom renovation project. Lastly, is the style. When you're doing a project, you'll have a perfect opportunity to design and style your bathroom just the way you like it. So let us take you to a happy bathroom renovation journey.